Good afternoon, YouTube family. Welcome to my channel, Faith and Firearms. This is John Q724 coming at you with another video. I was looking around today in my safe, and then I realized that, you know what, I hadn't shown or given a review on my... This is the M&P 9mm 2.0 subcompact pistol. Very nice pistol. This pistol, I consider it a concealed carry. Again, it comes with the awesome texture that Smith Wesson makes on these guns. Awesome texture. This gun here is equipped with the hinge trigger. Smith & Wesson has switched to the flat face triggers. Of course, you guys know that, but this is the hinge trigger. Has also front serrations, so you guys can do press checks. Rear serrations. This is your slide stop lever, and of course your takedown lever. This one is not equipped with the thumb safety. Magazine release with a nice texture also. This gun is also comes from the factory with a rail. Okay, you can put a light on this. Not too bad as far as the width. Definitely it's not as thin as the shield, but you can still carry this. This came with white dots, but I did throw on some night sights. Just so you know, this gun has been cleared and made safe. Nothing in the magazine well. In the magazine well, nothing. Nothing in the chamber. This trigger has a wonderful reset. Wall and reset. I don't know if you guys heard that click, but wonderful reset. Now, this particular firearm came with these two magazines. They're both 12 rounders. One equipped with the flat base. The other one has an extension which came from the factory. Notice the texturing on it. This magazine I picked up aftermarket. I put a Hive extension on it. It's also a 12-round magazine. Nice magazines. When I do decide to carry this gun, I have a holster I ordered from eBay. Matching magazine. These are the materials called carbon fiber. Again, American made, which I always support American made products. These are the retention screws to make the gun tighter in the holster or adjust it the way you want to do it. This carbon fiber mag holder also has an adjustable screws. This I rarely carry, but it's a nice leather mag holder. I have no need to carry 3 mags. I just have 3 mags, but I just store it in here. I store the aftermarket magazine in this mag holder. Of course, a knife with it, Smith Wesson. Nice, awesome knife, serrated edges. This is not spring assisted, but it's still smooth. Has a nice little pocket clip. Deep pocket clip, which is really nice. Getting back to the firearm, I tell you, this is an awesome gun to conceal carry. This holster, you can adjust the cant. You can unloosen the screw and make it for appendix carry. Right now it's set up for 3 or 4 o'clock carry. But you can make it go straight up and down, bringing this screw down. The clip down, I mean. And you can carry this appendix. Well, folks, that's my review of this firearm. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Remember what I always say, train with your firearm. You are responsible for every round that leaves that firearm. Train, train, train. Don't just buy a gun because you can and strap it on. I am a Second Amendment supporter, but I'm also a strong advocate of training. So until the next video, God bless. Remember to like and subscribe.